Yo, what's going on? Um, Back with another trade recap. Kind of wanted to run down on the trade that I took today, the mistakes I made, and the adjustments I made to continue the week to be able to avoid these mistakes per se. So, um, today, coming on the high time frame, let me take this off. Um, Starting on the high time frame, I recognize obviously we have bullish order flow. We just swept this liquidity. And we're also in this daily for value gap. So I'll just kind of looking at order flow, seeing what market structure and what PD raise we were expecting. The 4 hour really didn't tell me much because we had that 4 hour for value gap that didn't get tapped. So I came down. I recognized we had this 1 hour for value gap aligned with this order block, and we ended up turtle souping it inside of this for value gap. So of course, I'd want to see a reversal from there. I looked on the 15. We had to change the state. 5 minute, we had to change the state. And coming into market open, we've been continuing to respect this fair value gap aligned with change of state, right? And, right, we had a SMT supporting my bias as well. So I was looking for longs. And this is London high right here. Now coming into open, 9:30 opened, right? And I can't go on the 30-second time frame on here, but there's the 30-second CISD using time frame alignment that I took. Right now, I was targeting, since we were opening, I'm expecting us to what is it to expand to the upside and end up taking a long here and before news, right? Because I've recognized that I was looking for a short-term play that I was gonna take it to this fair value gap right here. So it was something like this. Stop here, and I was targeting this fair value gap, right? Now what happened was we came down. I can't go to the 30-second, but we came down at 9:33, manipulated the low, and then we had an expansion, and I ended up taking another entry on the 15-second right here, targeting this high because the CISD here was pretty high. So it was somewhere around here that I entered, targeting these highs for 2-1. Right. Then we ended up coming and getting stopped at break even, and so I had one loss and one break even, but my bias was correct. Now where I went wrong is I didn't wait I didn't wait 10 minutes into open to take the trade. And at the time, I didn't have it clearly on my checklist because I forgot to add it on my checklist. So it just went under the rug, and just how my brain works I ended up taking the trade or not wanting to miss out. So again, FOMO, thinking in scarcity mindset. And I ended up taking a lower quality trade, got stopped, which first trade I risked more. So, and knowing it was open, I should have de-risked. So that's a big mistake there. I didn't really break my rule per se, but because I didn't have it set in stone there. But that's an adjustment I just made. Okay, wait till 9:40. And honestly, if it's news, it's unpredictable. So wait till news, right? Which again, I should have been doing. But anyway, because then I would have been able to catch this move, right? So end up taking those two losses. Then I was still expecting this 5-minute CISD fair value gap to hold to this high, and we did. So realistically, honestly, waiting for 10 o'clock, there was another SMT that was made on the high time frame, right? I mean, another SMT with NQ being a weak or stronger asset to the upside. We had a 1 minute change of state or a 30-second change of state here, and I would have entered somewhere like this, stops here, targeting these odds. This would have been a trade, simple, if I would have been patient and waited. So this learning lesson again, bias was right, high time frame draw was right, but again, just impatience causing me to take a loss. But with how I'm risking, I'm looking to pass the risk 1% each trade. So I have 4 losses to blow account, 3 trades, well now 4 trades to pass, right? So I'm not gonna don't really pen to sit here and just from recommendations of other people who trade props. Is no point of taking a month to pass or blow an account, like either or, like either pass it or blow in a month, right? So yeah, looking to pass this account this month. Obviously, I've been a lot better though, following my trading edge. But now I didn't have my time, like any time restrictions regarding my model. So uh, now that's set in place, I'm gonna wait till 9:40 to look for a trade or news. Yeah, honestly, just stop trading before news. But the reason is I traded into news because I've seen that a lot of times my model will like play out regardless if news occurs or not. So, but at the end of the day, it is more risky. So, um, honestly, yeah, shouldn't be trading before news. Just and waiting for the best quality setup. Honestly, so um, yeah, well, so that's about it. So, but bias was correct on the high time frame. Obviously, we're going towards this high, and looks like we're gonna go to take London high. So yeah, pretty solid day, honestly. Didn't really revenge trade. I got back into a trade and ended up break even. But yeah, appreciate you guys watching. You guys got any questions, just leave them down below. And yeah, I'll be back with another recap if I on the days that I do take a trade. So if I'm not taking a trade, because I didn't really take too much trades last week, I think two, I'll make a recap on it and kind of break it down as well. But yeah, I appreciate it for watching. Y'all take it easy.